The major important liability that I got as a member of the family, as a director of this company, is to deliver this company to the next generation. And you can't deliver a company, you cannot pass the company from one generation to another generation unless you are really open, really transparency. And that is the reason because we are very focused in environmental issues. We are normally very engaged in the local community. We are a green factory. We have invested a lot to have a green also source to produce green products according to the green policy of Great Britain and also Italy. We are one of the first companies that we started to reduce and to stop to use PVC because it is coming from petrol and is producing a lot of gas emission. So we started to replace with new compound like JBA, Jasmine Breganni Albano, so compound that are flame retardant, fire resistant, that are coming from a different material than PVC. But also sustainability is not only concentrating environmental, it's also a social impact. When you importing raw material, when you using raw material for other country, you need to make sure that you pay the right amount, make sure that the local community can invest in education, can improve their own style of life. You need to have a very strong ethic code of business, because when you don't pay the right things in the products, it means that that product is a fake product. In fact, is one of the major problems that we have in our industry. Or it means that you are robbing, you are rob money from that supplier, because if I've been forced to sell it under the level of the price, the cost of the price, it means that something wrong. Our industry, for example, because they're not being paid the right price, only the cheapest and the better, there is a lot of fake products, and that is unacceptable because fake means unsecure, under specification, and there is a lot of initiative, the approved cable initiative. There is a safe structure that Tratos promote a lot to improve and make sure that the minimum level of cable that needs to achieve in this country is CCA. So a level that there is, the flame have to stop a certain level. So I think that we need to accept to change our culture of the cheapest price and to start to go back to a culture of a sustainable products forever, products that have worked forever.